this is the road up the Hoh River into Olympic National Park. We haven't entered the park quite yet. This is also, I think, where we see the Hoh Rain Forest over here. So it'll be fun to get to the gate and maybe get a map of the area and get a little more information on what the Olympic National Park holds in store for me. Because so far, these last 2 days, I've just been in the Olympic National Forest and the State Forest. I haven't been inside the park yet. So I'll let you know what I find. The underside of a tree root system tipped over. Still see the rocks embedded in the dirt there. More of the Hoh River. You can see a tree down there is the root and the trunk going. And going. There's some people for scale. And going. And I don't know, finally disappears underwater, so I don't know how far it goes. Not sure, is that an elk or a moose? I'm gonna have to walk right past him. Okay, finally at the ocean. Little place called La Push near the little village of Mora. I'm not sure what this is. It's part of the Olympic National Park. Oh my, look at the driftwood stacked up there in front. That's just natural stacking by the ocean. Okay, looking south along the log-strewn beach. Getting to the beach is going to be a chore, I can see. Got surfers out there. Right there on that where that log sticks up. Some haystack rocks. There, and one over there, and I'm going to give you some elevation here. We're a bunch of wood and parking, so I'm not alone. Okay, I'm hiking again today, third time, which is good for me. Actually going downhill, you probably can't tell from the video. I'm at Cape Flattery, which is the northwestern point of the Olympic Peninsula. So it's where the Pacific Ocean meets the Georgia Strait. The Georgia Strait is a body of water between Washington and Vancouver Island, where all the ships that come into Seattle, Tacoma, Vancouver, Victoria, the military installations all come through Georgia Straits. So this is a major, always has been a major point for shipping come in and out to the west coast up here in the northwest inland portion of the country. Anyway, I'm going to hike down and see what there is to see down here at Cape Flattery. A nice little improvement here. Not exactly wheelchair approved, but not bad. I think this is all on tribal lands too, so there's that. So I don't think it's part of the Park Service or the state recreation or anything. Still, it's a pretty nice little deal here. Okay, looking south along the Pacific coast, west towards the setting sun, not setting yet, and an island out there, I can't remember the name, but it's actually quite green. There, adjust the, and there's a lighthouse out there. And then come on, I'm trying to get this to zoom to a lens. The landmass across there is Vancouver Island. So we're looking at Canada across this, and it's not the Georgia Straits, it's the Strait of San Juan de Fuca. I probably knew that and forgot it. And looking north and a little east. Cape Flattery. All right, campsite number 3, an actual pay campsite in a national park. And picnic table, I didn't have to set up a table. Of course, I'm sitting here with all the doors open because that's just how I roll when I camp. Anyway, it's a beautiful lake out there. I'm going to take a walk in a minute and I'll show you what's out there. And I'll try and remember the name between now and then. Oh, yeah, I wasn't able to learn the name. It's also the name of the campground. I just forgot. And my maps aren't pulling up. But it's a very nice lake here. We're about 3 miles in from the ocean, south of Cape Flattery. So you see the sun is still catching those trees over there. In fact, it is still catching top of my head just a bit. So, I don't know what people do in this lake. I see a little buoy out there. I don't know if it's for swimming. I'm sure you can swim in it. I'm not going to tonight, nor will I first thing in the morning. And I see a sailboat over there. Yes, I did see a boat ramp sign. So, boats go out there. I don't know if it's okay for power craft or is it just non-power craft. Beautiful, beautiful.